Ebusham from my mom, Aquaba, ever Ghana 70 VGH, let's say, like a comment, subscribe, turn on notification also, so that anytime I post a video, it's a way to some make Ebusham, yeah, Papa, Ebra Penny, daughter, you free. Oh, yeah, ranking member of parliament, or heads committees. I copy here, Afari military hospital. I copy Afari military hospital. To show, say, South Hospital, are you ready? And they are for the bay in our year. They are can say, almost sending Crawford into the hospital. Now, at that Bakwa, I see, I didn't share and course on any say, Afari military hospital, no, it does not fall under Ministry of Health. Debbie. Anthony, Afari military hospital, it does not fall under Ministry of Health. It falls under Ministry of Defense. Esan say a soldier for hospital. Even though administrative civilians no, a Ministry of Defense that manages our facility, just like a 37 military hospital. And to say what 37 military hospital any Afari and 38. But Afari no to say a soldier penny be ding an idea to hospital no. Now say any to say a Ministry of Defense. Let me say I won't say Ministry of Defense number one, Minister Crown Money. Echo 1 year ni 1 whole year. Minister of Defense. Any replacement for Papa Asemutu Omanibuama. It is a ministry Nagasan crying to me a replacement, a man nipa bagwa. And you are there, Konya doctors, a daughter for me soldiers, nurses for me soldiers, a physio for me soldiers, and all to fill the facility. Minister Neo. Mama Akachire say, a codi bring a year about appointment. A deep bring a year in 6 months, 6 months. Still, say me nim or then or through or drink then home. I don't know. And I be sorry to say this, but Nipano no soon na abe warning say my name replacing no. I can't tell. In the Ministry of Defense, for I say, I'm pressure say, South Hospital. I say, Mumbieno. Now, me who the way a soldier for now, no Muntina ho, our money NPP no inya kasa, our person flares mazos no. I must be you. Na ya ti o man we mu na sami fi won mu say mu soldier for bi. Omu ba ban ma, obepa mu nyina. Recurrence omu ba ban mu no. Generals I want military mu be 15 na mo pa mo nyina. Mpenifo mo military ni mu. Be 15 of them pa mo nyina. It is a major fee omu promise omu making no, omu keep promise no. Na wo so jania na o ye hu ye abasa say na onim say mre dania wetin kofi. It did not occur to you. Your face is out there. Your face is out there. And you are treating politicians in such a manner. MP, now treating in such a manner. Ranking member on health committee. Oops, and it's a one man access. You are forgetting, say, I got 2 years, 6 months. My NDC, we know what we are buying. Only if you are forgetting it. It's at 2 years, no, it's short. Maybe at you might appear long, but very, very short. Remember, is here. You have your own self to blame. You have your own self to blame for treating a member of the opposition now like that. Ranking member of Parliament Health Committee.
Can't be but my mini can be being far as some papa na can, you know. Mine meaning so NPP neo, so Ghana di, so NDC neo. My main cancer monchero. It is really sad to compare a road to hospital. It is really sad to compare a road to hospital. Say you're completely good. Into me and you hospital and operation. That ben one was your commission road you recruit two cars say or car road no so that.
Good question. Good question, Pan Officer. It's me, Brabe Yano. Was it that Ben one was your commission road? Yeah, import cars and as you grew to a cars, Mame Faso.
Now say
we won't be there. It's me when I'm a question.
Whatever is me about, and I see a recruit to motors say or moment faso car road ya dia oh ye krana oh ye mpono na cars and am one side.
Yeah.
But hospital ya dia oh yeah. What commission when you have to make sure so ube ye recruitment the nurse for nipa beguma be ye adwuma.
Yeah.
And Aban way is failing when timi nursing recruitment. Fan kogum a dime race one more say you can and you are coming to do this kind of comparison here. Boys, me sa issue say me or baby tackle military man na endra na all show ni power no. Nyame nhyira no. Onto ne nkwanem. Si ye de Ghana sika tua ne ka. Ni ye de Ghana sika ye project equipment nyina gum ya commission ni yemfa nurse po nkogum na enya adwuma obi interest nti obi dwin se ofa nurse fo a ye bebo obi di de animonyam ama no obi unemployment akosuru nti wontimi mfa nurse po nti wo si ematimam ni Ghana ni no emma me expect hospital na ye the taxpayers money esina essay no as a military officer you should be ashamed to your own self. You should be ashamed to your own self for allowing
a man one is say you buy in a D. Yashin
military man in a buy. Military man in a buy. As a military officer, you should be ashamed to your own friend, your own self. Because that hospital is even a very military hospital. You should be more worried about it. You should be more worried about it. Where recruitment, where protocol military ponibia. Where protocol military ponibia. How can a military officer I would put one ya commission project equipment gum hospital na can as a voice. Ye sika ya come for not you. Ya come for not
me mako hono da me the real some for na kon carry e was an carry kwan so. Yeah,
the kind of investment.
I have 500 bed capacity. 500.
I want my advantage room. A military hospital, a honeymoon cost strike. It's in case it be crazy as a doctor's focus on cost strike here. Only police hospital when you want a shelter reading. But some hospital is so be I mean, in case of say, if a strike is here, a woman cost strike.
Boys, a honeymoon. I try at 37 and I wear 38. 38 military hospital. They name it after Jina Afari. Near the Tono. Sort as here.
Okay.
And yet a hospital bonnie crowd, but on trust.
Okay.
Voice. Aside the cell hospital where ever Jini Panquano. Hospital in the Reds, and this hospital alone can recruit 20,000 Ghanaians. 20,000 Ghanaians. They are school, their own school, a benya Jumaya or me betremu the intia. A nurse for betimia fawomono getting to 10,000. A doctors for befa womono. Security for befa womono. The kind of employment at this hospital alone, aside is a bit creative war mining, it's not easy. And as a military officer, you are standing there defending this kind of stupidity. Stupidity. I'm repeating this. You are defending this kind of stupidity. Our taxpayers' money should go rest and say, and you are there. Oh, yeah, guy. You are joking. Hey, military officer, you are joking with politicians. The way you were talking to Nana, you were free. The Winnima, Konifie, na kone dem kopanacho. Konifie, na kone dem, na kopanacho. So, I'm a politician. A influencer as a military officer. Mo crampo the anke account money or money enko yeni adia. Monanka someone's. And you are starting there. Where did you get permission? Where did you get this? Where did you get this? Permission. A dance war pro. A dance equipment in no megums war pro. You are expecting say young kwaji permission la. Nanya mumu military for na namaka do before complain. Ubrefi. Military man ubrefi say mukasa be do before complain. Adia say nipe who sa de say no. Jina ho kasa permission because of political influence. You be the influencer. Mr. Military Man, I'm telling you this. We are military nim. Within Eguatalim and Yahu, who video yourself, NPP ba power, as some American. Momla man so do be a metame. NPP ba power, who coffee, yeah, you would. Who say NDC coffee, I don't know echo because your man before power money, we would dinny. Power money. So power money, and Kawun now and show this kind of stupid attitude. Stupid attitude. Your wasting on my sticker. Do you know the amount of money a would say investment in him? And you push your no papa japadia. And Anka was here, and can you Juman walk and can you ask this kind of foolish and stupid questions? Mr. Military Officer, you are the reason why I'm in Moa. And it's a major video be the amount. Major video be the amount for allowing yourself for politicians to control you. No one didn't want mine home. One didn't into hospital and I would get on mono. Oh, ni kakra kana who of Funo and dear air conditions. I would go a down one or now would you know now, Bancasa and your Jumana to Wujina would Jimmy no. Now, one is saying, were you okay with it?
Okay, Maso, now do I know Siamame?
Were you okay with it? It's immediate. Yet here, we are Timia Quatina Doom TV, Busa Obisa Onka Hospital, Bakwa was started here where we were Santa Regi one to me. NPP, Kwakwa, Chiramu be say, Musi NPP, Yanyasha was Santa Regi, Ye Chiramubi, and the NPP from Crown. Chromo Hoff Ekao, Chromo in Kobi, Chromo Ahimfia for the good citizen of within that district. Obia Wohobi, and you were them misbehaving like this.
Okay. Wait before